Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we explore how to create a dashboard in Tableau. So at first we go Tableau public, then we go file, and then finally we should log in my Tableau public account. Okay, fine. After successfully login in my Tableau account, then we go in file, then open. Then we should open the dashboard starter template. Okay. After successfully open dashboard starter template, we should open data source. Okay, successfully opening the data source, we can create a new dashboard. Then in the dashboard sheet 1 we drop sheet here, and secondly sheet 2 drop at the bottom. Okay, then average carbon dioxide per capita is removed from the dashboard. Average carbon dioxide per capita, then more option, then floating. After floating, it add at the right corner. Similarly, the region, then more option, then floating, then it add in the second sheet right corner. After successfully dropping, then we save to as a public. It takes little time sending data to server. Then it successfully add to public Tableau online account. And there we observe the most carbon dioxide per capita at Qatar and carbon dioxide production by region in the graph. We see most carbon dioxide produced at East Asia and Pacific, and less carbon dioxide produced in North Latin America. Thus, we have successfully created a dashboard in Tableau. Then we can easily share it in the share option. and she easily share its link or at social media account. Oh,